कहते हैं आप सबका मेरे YouTube चैनल जिसका नाम है श्री जी। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ऑक्यूपेशनल हेल्थ। ये क्या होता है? ऑक्यूपेशनल हेल्थ जो होता है वो क्या होता है? औद्योगिक स्वास्थ्य। ठीक है। ऑक्यूपेशनल हेल्थ और इंडस्ट्रियल हाइजीन इट इंक्लूड्स द प्रमोशन एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द हाई डिग्री ऑफ द फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड सोशल वेलबींग ऑफ वर्कर्स इन ऑल ऑक्यूपेशन। इन द पास्ट इट वॉज कॉल्ड इंडस्ट्रियल हाइजीन और इंडस्ट्रियल हेल्थ बिकॉज it was related to only factories and mines. Now, occupational health includes all type of employment like mines, factories, agriculture, forestry, commercial enterprises, services, trades, etc. Ergonomics it means fitting the job of the to the worker. Its object is to achieve the best manual adjustment of the human efficiency and well-being. Occupational environment, there are three types of interaction which affects the working population: man and physical, chemical and biological agent. फिजिकल एजेंट क्या क्या होता है? हीट होता है, कोल्ड, ह्यूमिडिटी, रेडिएशन, वाइट नॉइस, एयर मूवमेंट एक्सेट्रा. केमिकल, टॉक्सिक डस्ट, गैसेज एक्सेट्रा. बायोलॉजिकल हो गया वायरस, बैक्टीरिया, पैरासाइट एक्सेट्रा. मैन एंड मशीन्स जो अनगार्डेड मशीन होता है, प्रोट्रूडिंग एंड ergonomics it means fitting to the job of the worker. It's subject to achieve the best manual adjustment of human efficiency and well-being. Occupational environment, there are three types of interaction which affects the working population: man and physical, chemical and biological. Physical agent heat ये हो गया, केमिकल भी हो गया, बायोलॉजिकल भी हो गया, मैन मेड भी हो गया. मैन एंड मैन क्या हो? साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर लाइक टाइप एंड रिदम ऑफ वर्क, वर्क स्टेबिलिटी, जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन, सिक्योरिटी, लीडरशिप स्टाइल एक्सेट्रा. ऑक्यूपेशनल हजार्ड एंड डिजीज. फिजिकल हजार्ड हीट है, डायरेक्ट अफेक्ट बर्न, हीट एक्सॉटेशन, heat stroke, heat cramps etc. Indirect effect है decreased efficiency, increased fatigue, increased accident rate etc. Cold, chill, blends, erythromycinosis, immersion, food, frostbite, hypothermia etc. Poor illusion, acute effect, eye strain, headache, eye pain, lacrimation etc. Chronic effect, minor क्रोनिक अफेक्ट है, माइनर निस्तेमगस. ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या है? एक्सेसिव ब्राइटनेस, ग्लेयर, डिस्कम्फर्ट, विजुअल फैटिक, ब्लरिंग विजन एंड एक्सीडेंट. नॉइस है, ऑडिटरी अफेक्ट, टेम्परेरी एंड परमानेंट हियरिंग लॉस. नॉन ऑडिटरी अफेक्ट, नर्वसनेस, फैटिक, डिक्रीज एफिशिएंसी एक्सेट्रा. वाइब्रेशन, वाइट फिंगर, इंजरी टू द जॉइंट्स ऑफ हैंड, एल्बो एंड शोल्डर, यूवी रेडिएशन, इंटेंस कंजक्टिवाइटिस एंड केराटाइटिस, आयोनाइजेशन रेडिएशन. एग्जाम्पल बाय एक्सरे एंड रेडियो आइसोटोप्स, जेनेटिक चेंज, मालफॉर्मेशन, कैंसर, ल्यूकेमिया, अल्सरेशन, स्टेरिलिटी एक्सेट्रा. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बर्न, केमिकल हजार्ड, लोकल एक्शन, डेर्मेटाइटिस, एक्केमिया, अल्सर एंड कैंसर ऑफ मशीन, ऑयल, रबर, एक्सरे कॉजेटिव एक्सेट्रा. इनहेलेशन, डस्ट एंड न्यूमोसाइटिस बाय द कोल, सिलिका, एस्टेबस, कॉटन, टोबैको डस्ट एक्सेट्रा. गैस एस्फाइक्सिया, गैस पॉइजनिंग बाय द CO2, COHCN2, CS2, NH3, N2H2S, HCl, SO2 एक्सेट्रा. मेटल पॉइजनिंग बाय PB, SB, AR, BECD, CO, MN, HGP एक्सेट्रा. इंजेक्शन पॉइजनिंग ऑफ इंजेक्शन ऑफ एबव मेटल. बायोलॉजिकल हजार्ड, ब्रूसिलियस, एंथ्रेक्स, लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस, हाइड्रोडायोसिस, टेटनस, एंथेसेफालिस, फंगल इन्फेक्शन एक्सेप्ट बाय इन्फेक्टेड एंड पैरासिटिक एजेंट्स. मैकेनिकल डिजार्ड है, एक्सीडेंट बाय प्रोट्रूडिंग एंड मूविंग पार्ट ऑफ मशीन. साइकोलॉजिकल, साइकोसोशल हजार्ड है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, लैक ऑफ जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन, इनसिक्योरिटी, इमोशनल टेंशन, hypertension, peptic ulcer etc. Regulation of industry, the registered factories are regulated by the Factories Act 1948 for industrial health. Non-registered scale cottage and village industries are not regulated by any regulation. Certain planetary trades, especially dealing with the animal matter causing public health hazard, which are regulated by municipal bylaws, are called offensive trade. Example: keeping of animal blood, boiling, bone boiling, gut scraping, leather tanning etc. Offensive trades: keeping of animal. The ground become breeding place for the mosquitoes, flies and microorganisms, causes transmission of many infectious diseases. Prevention: keep the animal at least 100 feet away from the residential area. The floor should be smooth and non-permeable. Discharge should be received in a covered vessel which should be washed and cleaned daily. Animal should be properly inspected for any infectious disease. Wash the hand after before boiling. Slaughtering of animal, infection can be spread due to the purification of the blood and fecal matter from which flies etc. transmitted the body disease against the healthy person. The prevention: it should be situated at least 100 feet away from the inhabited area. Adequate ventilation and proper water supply should be there in the slaughterhouse. No living room should be there. Over the slaughterhouse floor floor of the slaughterhouse should be smooth and non-permissible to prevent the spread of the infection. Animal before slaughtering should be inspected for any infectious disease. Blood boiling or drying. Blood is boiled for the preparing food, manure, refining sugar, and for making turkey. Red pigment. On boiling, it emits sickening smell which causes nausea, vomiting, headache, etc. Prevention. Blood should be collected and stored in clean and airtight vessel. There should be proper arrangement of chimney for emitting gaseous products. इसमें next है bone boiling. Bone boiling is used for making phosphatic manner, gelatin, glue, handle of knives, etc. which causes nausea, vomiting, headache, etc. Prevention. Proper storage and cleanliness should be maintained. Chimney should be used for offensive gas. Gut is scraped in pig and sheep. Gut is scraped from the making cat gut used in surgery. There is a chance of spreading of infection from these animal to human. Prevention. Proper washing and cleaning of the area. Use the marker table for scrapping. Waste material should be promptly removed. Pneumocyanosis. व्यवसाय जलवायु प्रदूषण द्वारा उत्पन्न व्याधि, ऐसे भी पूछा जा सकता है, ठीक है। तो ये क्या होती है? इट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ लंग डिजीज कॉज बाय द इनहेलेशन ऑफ insoluble dust वाइज सिलिकोसिस, एस्बेस्टोसिस, एंथ्रोसिस, बाइसाइनोसिस, बेगासाइनोसिस एंड फार्मर लंग एक्सेट्रा. Ducts are the particle of 0.1 to 150 mu size. Out of them, particles more than 10 μm settle down from the air readily. Thus, inhaled air contain only fine particles 5 to 10 μm. Remain in upper respiratory tract 3 to 5 μm. Help μm का क्या है? माइक्रोमीटर, ठीक है. हेल्प इन मिड रेस्पिरेटरी पैसेज 0.5 to 3 μm. Reaches in a smaller passage and cause pneumocyanosis. The main feature of pneumocyanosis is the fibrosis of lung. So the patient has respiratory problems like cough, dyspnea, tightness, chest, other lung infection, etc. Silicosis. सिलिकोसिस क्या होता है? सिलिकोसिस एक ऐसा डिसीज़ है जो होता है कैसे, सिलिका के जो एजेंट है उसका सिलिका होता है, सिलिका डाइऑक्साइड, जिसके साइज पार्टिकल का साइज होता है 0.5 to 3 म्यू माइक्रोमीटर होता है. सोर्स क्या है? इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं मेन सोर्स, जैसे कोल हो गया, कॉपर, माइका, सिल्वर, लेड, जिंक एक्सेट्रा. पोट्री एंड सिरेमिक इंडस्ट्री, सैंड ब्लास्टिंग, मेटल ग्राइंडिंग, बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क, रॉकिंग, माइनिंग, आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री एक्सेट्रा. इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड फ्यू मंथ टू 6 years होता है. पैथोजेनिक पार्टिकल आर इंजेस्टेड बाय द फाइकोसाइटोसिस इन द लंग्स दैट एक्युमुलेट एंड ब्लॉक द lymph channel. Pathology: dense nodule fibrosis of lungs. Clinical feature: irritant cough, dyspnea and excretion, chest pain, impairment in total lung capacity. TLC patient are prone to pulmonary tuberculosis. Diagnosis: history of occupation, clinical feature and storm appearance in the lung, feel in the chest. X-ray treatment: there is no specific treatment. Patient are treated symptomatically. Prevention and best remedy. Prevention: use of dust control measure. Example: substitution, complete enclosure, isolation, hydroblasting, etc. Regular physiological examination of the worker. Asbestosis. Next disease. Asbestosis is a asbestos which is silicate of magnesium, Fe or Ca, Na and Al. Size of fiber are 20 to 500 mu micrometer. Length is 0.5 mu micrometer. Diameter. Source industries हैं asbestos, cement, fiber, proof, textile, roof, tilling, talcum powder, etc. Pathogenesis है insoluble fiber are pathocytes in lung. Pathology है fibrosis. Clinical feature: dyspnea, clubbing of finger, cyanosis, cardiac distress, etc. Complication: fibrosis causes carcinoma of bronchus, mesothelioma of the pleura or peritoneum and the cancer of GIT. Diagnosis: history of occupation. Clinical feature: presence of asbestos. Bodies in sputum, ground glass appearance in the lower 2/3 of the lung. In X-ray. Chest treatment and prevention like silicosis. Disease क्या है? एजेंट है कोल डस्ट और इंडस्ट्रीज है कोल माइंस. बाइसनाइसिस का क्या है? कॉटन डस्ट फाइबर या टेक्सटाइल एजेंट है और इंडस्ट्रीज टेक्सटाइल में होती है. बेगेसोसिस डिजीज़ है, एजेंट है बेगेसेस यानी कि शुगर केन डस्ट. इंडस्ट्रीज क्या है? शुगर केन फैक्ट्री होता है, पेपर, कार्डबोर्ड फैक्ट्री. नेक्स्ट है साइड्रोसिस, यह डिजीज़ है, एजेंट आयरन है, इंडस्ट्रीज आयरन माइन, स्टील वर्क है. डिजीज टोबैको कॉज एजेंट क्या है? टोबैको डस्ट, सिगरेट एंड बाइंडिंग इंडस्ट्री है. फार्मर लंग, मोल्डी हे और ग्रेन डस्ट एजेंट है. इंडस्ट्रीज है एग्रीकल्चर. हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम ड्यू टू इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन क्या है? एनवायरमेंटल सैनिटेशन problem like hygiene, air and water pollution, sewage disposal, etc., communicable diseases, food and sanitary problems, mental health problem, accidental social problem, morbidity and mortality. Measures for the health protection of worker by ILO or WHO 1953. Nutrition, a separate place for taking the meal should be there. If employees are more than 250 in industries, a canteen should be provided. Communicable disease control, the faculty for early diagnosis, treatment, prevention and treatability of communicable disease should be there. Environmental sanitation, proper supply of water, proper hygiene, food supply or sufficient and hygiene, toilet facility, cleanliness of working place, sufficient space for working, proper lighting, ventilation and temperature regulation, proper housing. Mental health care, detection of signs and symptoms of emotional strain, stress or outer mental illness. Their treatment are rehabilitation measure for the woman. Maternity leaves for of 135 days with full bag, free antenatal, natal and postnatal services. No work before 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Underground work should be provided for women. Measure for the children for 14 years cannot work by laws. Children between 14 to 18 cannot work in mines or any other hazards employment. Health education to employees or food family planning education to both and male and female. Prevention of occupational disease. All the preventive measures of occupational disease can be grouped under three heads: medical, engineering and legislative measures. Medical, replacement, medical examination of employed to take a man right job. Annually periodic examination of worker, it may be more frequently in many occupation. Medical and health care services by employees, state insurance, proper notification of suspected occupational disease, proper maintenance and analysis of record, which is essential for planning, development and efficiency of health services. Periodic supervision of working environment such as temperature, lighting, ventilation, humidity, noise, cubic space, air pollution and sanitation. Health education and counseling of worker before he enters the factory. Engineering measures, proper designing of building, good ventilation, factory, good general cleanness, lighting, washing and general maintenance, mechanization instead of hand operation, substitution, dust control by spraying, wet drilling of rocks, hydrolasting, etc., enclosure of harmful material processes, isolation of offensive process with worker, local exhaust, ventilation of dust, fumes and other injurious substance, use of protective devices by workers, gas, that is gas masks, respirators, etc., monitoring of environment by doctor and engineers, research regarding the prevention of occupational hazard, static monitoring of data on the health to evaluate the adequacy of preventive measure. Legislative measure, at present there are two main factories in law: the Factory Act 1948, the Employees State Insurance Act 1948. Other special act are adopted in particular situation. Example: Mine Act, Plantation Act, the Minimum Wages Act, etc. The Factory Act 1948, amended in 1987. The act defines factory which employing 10 or more workers where power is used, or 2 or more workers, 20 or more workers where power is not used. Services for the health, safety and welfare workers should be provided for factory cleanliness. Example: cleanliness, lighting, ventilation, treatment, water treatment, temperature control, supply of safe water, faculty of canteen if workers are more than 250. Prohibition of the young children below 14 years. The adolescent 15 to 18 should be certified for fitness by certifying surgeon before placement. Adolescents are allowed to work only between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Women and adolescents are not allowed for dangerous occupation. Maximum working hours should be 48 hours per week, not exceed 9 hours per day, with rest for at least half an hour after 5 hours of continuous. But beside weekly holiday, every workers should be granted leaves with wages salary after 12 months of continuous service. 1 day for every 20 days in case of adolescent, 1 day for every 15 days, 12 week for maternity leave to a woman. Notification of occupational disease of worker by employer to the authority. Next, examination of service condition and hazards produced by the government or authority before starting in the employment stage. Insurance Act 1948, amended in 1975, 1984 and 1989, covers all the employer getting up to 15,000 rupees per month. It is autonomous body called ESI Corporation, which is chaired by Minister of Labor. Scheme is run by financial contribution by employees, employers and grant for state and central government. The employer contributes 4.7% 1.5 of total wage bill. The employee contribute 1.75% of total wage bill. ESI corporation extend 7/8 of total expenditure on the medical care. State government expend 1/8 of total expenditure on medical care. Benefit of employees medical benefit: OPD care, hospitalization, drug supply, dressing, antenatal, natal, postnatal care, immunization, family planning, emergency facility, health education, pathological, radiological and examination provides at like the dentist, heading aid, spectacles, artificial limb, etc. These facilities are provided by directly through ESI hospitalization dispensary or indirectly through private doctors appointed for the sickness benefit. It is consists of periodically cash payment to an insured person. In case of sickness, the benefit is payable for maximum period of 91 days in 1 year, in which 50% of wages is payable for two employees for certain disease. There is extended sickness benefit up to 730 days. Maternity benefit: this is provision of leave with full wages as follows: sickness due to confinement 30 days, miscarriage 6 weeks, maternity leave 12 weeks. Or disability benefits: temporary disablement leaves with 85% of wages till the worker is not able to do the work. Permanent disability: full life pension. Dependent benefit: pension at the rate of 40% more than the standard benefit rate will be paid to the widow and children in the prescribed share. Funeral expenses: on the death of insurance person, maximum 10,000 rupees for funeral expense are given to his family. Rehabilitation: 1 month payment of ₹10. The insured person and his family members may continue to get medical treatment after permanent disability और रिटायरमेंट. खत्म हो गया यहाँ ये चैप्टर भी ऑक्यूपेशनल हेल्थ. इसके बाद है स्कूल हेल्थ सर्विसेज.